Hello, it's Dr. Z again, and today let's solve a new problem, which is to convert the string into a lowercase. So when looking at the examples here, we will see that for each character, if it's already in lowercase, we don't have to touch that. But if it's uppercase, we want to change that into a lowercase. So seems to be very simple. So let's begin. First, okay, I just want to say in the Java string class, there's already a method called toLowercase. So apparently, this problem is not to test us to how to use that, because it will just become one line of code. It's too simple. Here, it wants to verify our understanding of basic data structures and algorithms. Okay, so let's begin. So first, let's deal with the corner case when the string is a null. So if it's a null, the behavior is not defined here yet. So we can just define our behavior. Let's say we want to return a null. Okay, next thing. So we're just dealing with the common case. We want to traverse the string, deals with every characters in the string. But the problem is that in Java string, there's no way to modify the data in place. We have to create a new string. And when creating a new string, the string builder is the most efficient way. So let's just create a string builder equals to new string builder. And how about the initial capacity? We know that eventually the resulting string will be the same size with the input string. So the string builder should have the same initial capacity as the input string size. So let's just do this. And now let's traverse the string. So for integer, from 0 to string to length, and increment in each iteration. Let's get the character first. String dot char at. Okay, now let's just verify whether the character is in uppercase. And if it is, we convert it into a lowercase. How to verify? So we know that Java string is also following the ASCII coding. And in the ASCII coding, so all the letters from A to Z for in lowercase will be put together, right, ascendingly. And also for the letters from A to Z in the uppercase, they will also be put together ascendingly. So if we want to verify whether the character is in uppercase, we just want to verify this way. So if the C is greater than or equal to A, and C is smaller than or equal to than Z, this will check whether the C is among A and Z in uppercase. So if it is, what shall we do? We want to change that into a lowercase. How do we do that? So because we know the uppercase and lowercase for letters A to Z, they are just grouped together, right? So the difference between the uppercase A and the lowercase a must be the same as the lowercase and uppercase for B and for C, for D, and for Z. Okay, what's the difference? We can just first calculate that. Because characters are also integers, they're just a small range of integers. So the difference should be, let's use A as the calculation. So lowercase a minus uppercase a. And here we just reuse that. So we just add the div, right? This will just convert the character into its lowercase. And eventually, this is just for the uppercase. For lowercase, we don't touch that. And eventually, we want to append the character into the builder. Okay, and after all these iterations, we will have the builder full of all the strings, and eventually we just use the builder toString method to convert it into a string and return. Okay, so this is done. Let's just verify whether it works. Okay, it works. And let's submit. Okay, so everything's good and it's done. So thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.